Hello. So we recently bought a new camper. It has an outdoor kitchen, which I love. But there's not a great place to put a little grill. We had a couple of these old, if you're my age, you all remember these old card tables that have the retractable legs. Everyone had them. They're great. But the problem with them is they're not really built to carry a lot of weight. And they're approximately 3 foot square. So they're a little big. And they're not real sturdy. Well, I had 2 of these old things. So I decided to make a little table for my outdoor kitchen using the legs, because the legs are great. The tops on these things are not. They're basically cardboard, really. Made by the Samsonite company. This one was probably, here's the price on it, $6.95. That ought to tell you something. This thing was probably made in the 50s. And this held up well for what it was intended for, but not great for anything strong. So I decided to take the legs off of that guy and repurpose the legs because I like the legs. So I built this guy out of it, which is great. Fits right in my camping kitchen. And then I can put my grill on. It'll hold me. So just made out of, I ripped the 2x4 in half, took a piece of barn flooring that I had. It's basically 5/8 plywood. Got the retractable legs, just folded, took them out off of the card table, screwed them on there, and now, boom, I've got a little retractable leg table that I can put a grill on. It's strong. It fits in my camper. It should be perfect for what I intended for. So hopefully I can get another 50 years out of it. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? But however many years I get, that'll be great. So I hope you enjoy that, and maybe it gives you some ideas to, if you've got some of these old card tables, which there's a gazillion of them out there, but they're not very good for anything with any weight, and they take up a lot of room, square. You can build you something like this, much sturdier, less room. Hope you enjoy it.